I'm Randy from A Fresh Squeeze Life, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really cute DIY wrapped book stack. We're going to go back to the days when we used to have to put book covers on our books. Some of you will remember that, some of you will not because you're too young. And I'm going to show you how to do that. It's very simple. This is a great little project to add to your home decor or even to give to your friends as a gift. I think it's great to personalize these and make them for your friends. Let's get to making.
First, you want to pick a stack of books that are about the same size. Because one of my books is light colored, I had to paint the spine so that it did not show through the wrapping paper. Let the paint dry completely before the next step. I chose 2 different wrapping papers because I wanted to add some contrast to my project. Cut a piece of wrapping paper 2 to 3 inches larger than your book. Create a fold along the top and bottom of your book's edges. Now create a fold along the sides of your book's edges. Tuck the book's flaps into the casing you created. Gather the rest of your supplies along with a glass of ice water just in case you burn your fingers with the glue gun. Add your embellishments until you like the look of your finished project.
Thank you for stopping by today. I would love it if you would like this video, and if you want more DIY goodness every week, just subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.